Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Hi everyone, good evening, nice to meet you. Welcome to the Spoken and Basic English. Today I'm here to inform you about special verbs. It's very important for you. You know there are 24 special verbs in English word. It has divided into two parts, 13 for tenses and 11 for operator. In tenses, it has also divided into three parts. First one is present tense. They are am, is, are, do, does, have, has. Second one is past tense. It is was, were, did, and had. And in future, there are two special verbs. These are shall and will. There are 11 operators, such as can, could, may, might, must, would, should, used to, ought to, need to, and dare to. If you see there is no special verb in English sentence, that time you will have to think that either it is present indefinite tense or past indefinite tense. If you say after subject, if it takes base form of verb, then it will be present indefinite tense. And if you see past form of verb after subject, then it is past indefinite tense. Thank you so much for joining this part. Hope to see you next class. Keep watching Duhu Spoken and Basic English. Have a good time. Wish you all the best. Good luck.